All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the GTech IT Labs. I'm back with another video, and this video will be about Microsoft 365 Exchange, and I'll be creating a real life ticket scenario, and I'll show you how you would go about resolving that ticket request. So, for example, if someone sends in a ticket and say, "Hey, I need Excel, Excel, and PDF viewer, etc. Enable. I'm not able to access those applications. Can you help me with that?" And most of the time, is because if they're not able to, it's because they're not assigned a Microsoft 365 license, which is an E3 license. And depending on the company, some company is, yeah, it's usually E3 or sometimes P2 maybe, depending on the company. I know uh, one company that I worked for in the past, their license was an E3 license, and I'll walk you through as far as how to go about resolving this issue. All right, so here we go. So again, let's go to, let's say you get a ticket and the user say, "Hey, I don't have Adobe Reader. I do not have Microsoft Excel, and I'm unable to edit, PDFs and stuff like that." So what you would do, you would go to office.com first, all right, and it will log you in automatically. And I would go to admin, right? Let's go to admin. And then once you're into admin, you'll go to users. Let's go to active users. And let's say the user was requesting access to, Excel, Word. They need to be able to enable those. And let's say the user is Alex Wilbur, right? So you click on their name, um, and then you'll check here to see what license they have. Here you can click on licenses, and let's say this wasn't here, right? Microsoft. Now yours would say E3, not E5, right? This is a license that I have as a developer, but let's say they don't have this at all, right? So you go here, and this won't be here at all. So most companies, you would either check this and assign it, right, to the user. Oops, excuse me. And then you save changes. In some companies, what you would have to do is go on Azure or Intune, right? And you go to users, and then here is Alex Wilbur, and then so you click on Alex Wilbur, and here you would go to groups to see if they're part of the E35 license group. Now these are all the groups that he is part of, and as you can see, he doesn't have the E3. For example, um, first of all, let's go to, so we go to groups, Now let's say this is the E3 license, the MC 365 license. You go to groups, click on the group, and you search for, you click on members, and you search for uh, Alex. Is that his name? Sorry. Oops. Yes. You search for Alex to see if he's a member of the M365 E3 license group. Now your company, of course, will name it a different name or whatever. So as you can see, no members has been found. So Alex is not part of that group. So what you can do is add, click on add members. Once you click on add members, then you should have an option to go ahead and choose a member. Refresh. Click on add members. There you go. And you click on Alex, or you can search for Alex. All right. Oh, let's see. There you go. And then you would click on select, and member successfully added. And then when you go to, not even, let's refresh, and he should be here. There he is, Alex. So once you added Alex to the E3 license group, then you would send a message to Alex and let him know, hey, I've made a few changes on my end, or I was able to grant you a Microsoft 365 license. Can you please follow these instructions to download Microsoft 365? Then you tell them, please visit office.com. All right, let me do it here. You tell them visit my office.com, and they'll go to office.com, and there'll be an SSO login, so they should be able to log in automatically. And then you tell them on the top right, you will see install apps, and there you go, install Microsoft 365 apps. And from then on, they'll have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., and more. You know, downloaded to their computer, and then they'll be able to log into to Microsoft Word, Excel, and be able to edit them and everything, because you granted them an E3 Microsoft 365 license. And this is how you do it. That's how you handle this ticket. It's pretty simple, fundamental ticket issue. Now let's, on our end as IT technicians, let's click on admin. Let's explore a little bit more on Microsoft 365. You click on users, active users. And here you can see all the users. Now if we click on Alex Weber, and you can see here that let's click on licenses and apps. You can see the Microsoft app 71. These are all the apps that comes with the 365 E5 license. But of course, my instance is different than and then yours, I believe, and every company does it differently. You know, this is how you add a license to a user, and that's that. Um, yeah, and let's see if we click on a daily. Okay, let's click on licenses. She also will be part of the developer license. But in your company, then you would see the 365 E3 license here as licenses. Um, so yeah, this is how you would handle this type of ticket. I'm sorry if I'm going slow on this one. Is because I haven't really provisioned my Azure to actually administer an E3 license. So yeah, but the steps that I provided, that's how you would handle that. And it may vary also based on different companies, different company policies, and they would have documentation also on how to do it. So yeah, and that's how we do it. Thank you for joining this quick video. It was a pleasure, and stay tuned for more labs. I'll be doing another video for on Azure. And again, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any suggestions on what kind of video to make, please let me know because this is my passion. I love IT. I love, you know, dealing with software. And oh, I wanted to say one more thing. These people are fictional, so please don't think that you can find these people. These people are fictional. All right, these are not real people. These are not real people. They're fictional. All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice one. Bye bye.